Now, how can you change the WhatsApp to the light mode on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so when it comes to the WhatsApp, right, obviously you have some settings within the app and whatnot, but generally there isn't really much about the dark or light mode. What you can do is to basically change it within the iPhone settings, right? So if you go to the control center and hold down on the brightness controller, it gives you the ability to toggle on or off the dark mode, and WhatsApp will, of course, adopt that theme as well, right? So it's consistent across the board. It's pretty simple, right? So if your phone is in the dark mode, the WhatsApp will reflect that as well, right? So that's pretty important. Outside of that, you also have the ability to go to the settings, still within WhatsApp, and find the chats section. This lets you change the default chat theme, right? So you can basically pick like a background, and you can see there's like a wallpaper behind it, which you can make like dark, right? Or choose from the light options or choose one of the themes, right? You can pick the chat color and whatnot. And that's like the main theme for all of your chats. And the point is that if you set it up this way, you get to pick whether it's going to be light or dark because you choose light or, the dark wallpaper. So that's how it works for WhatsApp. Let me know if you managed to set it up for your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.